Hello, my dear students. Very good morning to all. Hope you all are fine and safe, staying at your home only. This is the third part of the poster making, that is about the general soul questions. Are there some of the 7 or 8 examples we have to do here, and after that, you can just try test your skills in your rough notebook. This is You were very upset about the reports on the communal rights in various parts of the country. As a concerned social worker, design a poster in not more than 50 words. Highlight the importance of communal harmony. You are Vinay or Vinita. As you all know that whenever there is the question on anybody's rights, they are always about the injustice. About this only. And dear student, don't think so that ki why we are science students, why we are studying about the poster making. It is very much important, doesn't matter in which field you are going to go in the next of your phase, but everything is important. Like in the poster is just an example for that. You can just see na, for every post there are, we are just talking about the poster making. Like communal harmony, the need of the hour, what we all need today, we just need the unity in all, we just need the helping nature from all. Here is India, a secular state. India is a secular state, as you all know that. Live in peace and amity. We just have to live in peace and unity. Okay, amity and unity. Unity, here is a symbol also. Unity, brotherhood, friendliness, peace, unity, love. No religion teaches hatred. हमें कोई भी रिलीजन जो है वो हमें नफरत करना नहीं सिखाता. ओके. Communal harmony must be maintained in the country. Communal harmony mean to say कि respect to each and every culture, we just have to give the importance. Okay, and this is the next part, that is prepare a poster advising people not to take alcoholic drinks, illustrating the danger of consuming alcohol. Your illustration should be in conformity with the theme provided to you. Mean to say कि say no to alcohol, it is very much dangerous for our health. For each and every problem, we wanna aware the people or we wanna tell to the people, we can just create the posters. Okay, say no to alcohol, say it now. Addiction leads to ruin health, ruin family life, ruin self, finally painful death. Join the addiction camp today. Here are many camps also ki regain health control and happiness. Call at this helpline number, phone number this and this. Like in the previous about the what was that poster, there was nothing na, that is just we just have to contact to whom, where we just have to go. It depends upon the posters. Okay, it may vary from the thing to thing. Okay, here is the next one. Prepare a poster on kindness towards animals to be displayed in the city at public place. Design a poster for promoting kindness towards animals. How we can just behave in a kindly way in front of the animals or about for the animals. Animals, sorry, animals are treasure trove. ये हमारे रियल खजाना है. Be kind, be gentle, show concern to animal, company, love. Pets give us company, love, affection, warmth, security. Adopt a pet, secure a life. Issued by Ministry of Human Resources and Welfare. And do you know why it is written here? This one, issued by. Why? It is written to just tell about that government also want this thing, people must be aware about this. Okay, and next poster is about, wait a minute, next poster is about design a poster to launch tree plantation campaign in area surrounding your school. Trees live for us, let us protect our friend. Plant trees and live longer. Okay, we just have to plant trees. Join tree plantation campaign on Sunday, the 5th October 2000, this at 9 a.m. Adarsh Senior Secondary School, Jodhpur. Remember the benefit of trees. Relax oxygen, bring rain, provide fruit, shade, greenery, suck carbon, and check soil erosion. Tree lives for us, let us protect our friend. Trees are our real friend. In these posters, nothing is written here, na? Nothing is given, nothing is written that what we just have to write. Okay, like phone number, contact us, this, that, because these are not about that poster, no. Okay, these are just a common poster for the awareness. And here is the next. Design a poster for promoting the need for joining the defense services. Okay. Excellent career opportunity. Develop your full potential. Serve the nation. Okay. By this is about the academy or whatever you can say about any just any institution is there. Okay. Serve the nation. Become an officer in the defense services. Enjoy the thrill and glory of being a defender of nation. Young officers perform adventurous feats. Prepare well, qualify, join the forces. Okay, make the nation. Many slogans are written here. I am telling you a common format. How you can just write your poster. How you can just make your give your poster an attractive look. An attractive. How can you give the poster an attractive look? What you have to do? Just like this boxes are there, na? In the box you can write the slogan. In the don't use colored pen. Okay, if in the 11th you want to use black and blue, you can just use. Okay, no problem at all. But in the board classes, the black pen must not be used. Okay, only blue is allowed. So what you can do, just one alphabet if it is written here like this. Okay, so one you can just write dark. Okay, like this you can make your poster a good look. Okay, you can give your poster a good look. And here is about design a poster for promoting cleanliness in the surrounding of your colony. Okay, what you have to do, cleanliness drive. Charity begins at home. Let's begin with neat and clean colony. Join us a cleanliness drive on Sunday the 5th October. This assemble at community center Janakpuri at 9 p.m. How these things are given now, you can see in the circle. Again, square boxes are here. Oval shape is it is just oval shape. It is just like to be a square. Remove filth, each one patch. Clean environment, a green city is a clean city is a green city. Make Janakpuri spick and spam. Do you know what is the meaning of spick and spam? Here it is spick and span. Do you know what is the meaning of this? The meaning I have shared in the word of the day also. Okay, that is neat and clean. Keep Delhi green and clean. Okay, these type of poster. And here is the next one, that is for the eyes donation. Design a poster to increase awareness among the youth about the blindness and the importance of donating eyes. Donate eyes, live long after you are no more. Remember, eye donation is bliss to the slightness. And do you want to know, students? Nowadays, it is just very much, you can say na, a type of a help for the other peoples if we just donate our eyes after our death. Blindness is a curse. I know blindness is not good. Bliss to the slightest. It is just a blessing. Blindness checks potential, hinders development. Act now, create waves of happiness around you. Your timely action can help countless people. Now you just have to contact where? Times I Bank, Chennai. And here is the next one. Design a poster for promoting a space saving furniture. Okay, what is here? A type 2 wear furniture. Fold and carry, unfold and use. Furniture to the third millennium. Light but sturdy, easy to pack, cheap to buy, durable, economical, space saving, ideal for one or two room flat. Fancy design, multiple use. Caters to every pocket. Caters mean to say it is just comfortable for each one to purchase. Do come today, buy Lotus Space Saving Furniture from Lotus Store, F18 New Market, Kolkata. And here is the last one for this type. Design a poster for sale of a new model car run on gas. That is a new model car. When we just have to give the company a publicity, we just want to give the publicity to a company, like introducing seeing is believing. देखोगे वही सच है. 4G, 4G, a new model car running on compressed natural gas CNG. Visit our showroom where it is D43 Greater Kailash, New Delhi. Enjoy a pollution free drive. Okay, why it is enjoy a pollution free drive? Because diesel and petrol just pollute our air, but CNG does not. Buy a fuel efficient, environment friendly car. It's truly the vehicle of the new millennium. नई सदी का व्हीकल है. Okay, टेक्नोलॉजी वाला व्हीकल. Okay, my dear student, this was about today. In the next lecture we will start a new topic. Okay, thank you.